Avocado, avocado, avocado. Now guess what we're doing today? We're making an avocado facial moisturizer. Now avocado is rich in essential vitamins and minerals for your skin. It can help to transform the skin. It can help to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. It can take your skin to the next level. Look at my skin, guys. Just take a look at my skin. I use a lot of avocado on my skin, and at my age, guys, there's no wrinkles, there's no fine lines, and we're working on the laugh lines and also the sagging jawline. Avocado can help to get rid of wrinkles and boost the collagen and elastin in the skin. So if you're looking for a DIY moisturizer using avocado, guys, this video is for you. I'm also going to put a few avocado products right here, so click on that little handbag. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Now avocado helps build collagen to maintain the skin suppleness and reduces wrinkles. Avocado is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E. It also contains the B vitamin in the form of niacinamide, helps strengthen and retain moisture in the skin. It also helps to reduce hyperpigmentation and also helps to strengthen the natural skin barrier. Avocado also have omega-3 fatty acid, which prevent water loss and keep the skin fully hydrated. It also help to reduce dark spots and blemishes, and it also help to reduce dead skin cells. It also may help to reduce the breakout of acne on the skin. It helps to improve the skin overall. So today we're going to be using a small piece of avocado, and this is about an ounce or so of avocado. What we're going to do, we are going to extract the avocado from the peel, slowly extracting it, and now here it is, fresh avocado. And what we're going to do, we're going to chop this in small pieces for easy blending. So now let's chop the avocado. At this stage, if you do not have a blender, you can go ahead and you can crush the avocado. So now let's reach for our blender, and we're going to place the avocado in the blender. Once this is done, now let's reach for our second ingredient, and today we're going to be using aloe vera, and this is fresh aloe vera. So what we're going to do, we're going to use a small piece. So let's just cut the aloe vera. And aloe vera help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and boost collagen and elastin in the skin, help to get rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin, and help to lock moisture in the skin. We're going to extract the aloe vera gel. And it's pretty easy to do, especially if you know what you're doing. We're just peeling off the outer leaf of the aloe vera. And I like to just go right under the upper part of the aloe vera. Just slide in my knife right there. And this is the aloe vera gel right here. You can choose to scrape it off like this, or you can choose to cut it out. So now let's reach for the blender. And today, I think I'm going to just cut mine out. So I'm just going to slide my knife under it like that. And once it is cut, now I'm going to scrape it down. Take a look at that. There it is. That's the aloe vera gel right there. Let's just scrape it in the blender. Scraping it in the blender. Make sure to get all the gel out. And now once this is done, here we have our aloe vera and avocado, and we're going to continue. What we're going to do, we're going to be blending this. However, before we blend, let's add another ingredient to this. Now here we have some orange peel, and this is dried orange peel. So what we're going to do, we are going to blend this to a powder. And here I already have some blended orange peel. It helps to lighten and brighten the skin and help to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. It is rich in vitamin C. So let's reach for the blender, and we're going to use about a half a teaspoon of the orange peel, and we're adding this to the blend. Next, we're going to reach for some rose water. And rose water helps to hydrate the skin, balance the natural pH levels of the skin. When you mix the rose water with the aloe vera and the avocado, it's going to create an amazing facial moisturizer, basically locking the moisture in the skin. We're using about 1-2 tablespoons of the rose water. And now we are going to cover this and we are going to blend to a creamy consistency. Now once this is done, take a look. Here we have our avocado, aloe vera, and orange peel. What I'm going to do with this, I'm going to strain it. So let's reach for a cheesecloth and let's place the cheesecloth over the bowl. And we're just going to pour this in. We're straining to make sure to get rid of any lumps. You can also strain this through a strainer. So let's just go ahead and squeeze. And there's nothing much left, but straining is always best. And this is it. So here it is. Here we have our avocado, aloe vera, and rose water mixture. And now we're going to move on. We're going to reach for some castor oil. Today we're using black castor oil. Castor oil is rich in linolenic acid, which help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, boosts collagen and elastin, and also help to hydrate the skin. It also helps to clear hyperpigmentation. It's a very, very thick oil, so you need just a little, and often use it with a carrier oil. I'm using about half a teaspoon of the black castor oil. We're adding this in the bowl and just blend it in. Mixing this well. Now once that is done, I'm going to be using some pomegranate seed oil. Also oil that is rich in vitamin C, help to hydrate, moisturize, and also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and clear hyperpigmentation. And we're only using a teaspoon of the pomegranate seed oil. Now my final oil is going to be some vitamin E oil. If you have it, use it. If you do not have it, it's okay. This helps to preserve your DIY. I'm using just about 3 to 4 drops of the vitamin E oil. And vitamin E oil also helps to nourish and protect the skin. And so we are now just going to blend all the ingredients together. We're blending avocado, we're blending aloe vera gel, fresh aloe vera gel. We're blending castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil. We're also blending pomegranate seed oil. And last but not least, some vitamin E oil. And now guys, this is ready. Let's pour it out. Make sure to get everything out. And this is it. Your facial moisturizer that you're going to apply on the skin AM and PM. And you're just going to take a little bit, about 2 to 3 drops of the moisturizer. You're going to apply it on clean skin, and then you're going to massage it on the skin. Just look how my skin is just drinking this moisturizer up, guys. It is just drinking it up, and this is what it's going to do to the skin. Take a look, guys. Look how dry my hands is. Now take a look at this one that I just used the moisturizer on. Take a look at that, guys. Amazing. And the thing about this is that it is not greasy at all. This is how it's going to work on your skin. Apply it on your skin AM and PM, and you're on your way to fresh looking skin, clear looking skin, wrinkle free skin. Store it in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. Now let me know, what other ingredient would you add to this remedy? Comment below, guys, and don't forget to come back after you use this and leave your comment.